Hi, you know what is Desi Ghee? People, there are many stories about that. Desi Ghee is good for health. It is not good for health. Particularly for the heart health, you should avoid taking Desi Ghee because it contains 70% of saturated fats which are not good for heart and not good for the brain and other parts of the body. It contains only 30% of unsaturated fat. So avoid taking, or you want to take it, you can take it only half teaspoon per week because it also contains other chemicals in the like water soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These fat soluble vitamins are good for the body, but at the same time, it's Desi Ghee is not good. Desi Ghee is made from the milk and then from the butter and then from that. This is a process to make it at home. So always avoid Desi Ghee in higher amounts. Take it in very little amount and to keep your heart healthy and to keep your cholesterol levels with normal limits. Thank you.